To begin the jelly printing process, you'll need to gather all your materials. You need a roller and a jelly plate. You will need a piece of Perspex. You will need your choice of coloured ink. You'll need a variety of textures and some clean paper. Place a small amount of ink onto your piece of Perspex. Spread out the ink evenly with the roller. You need to alternate between directions of the roller so that it spreads evenly. Hack: if needed, roll any excess ink onto a spare piece of paper. Next, roll the ink onto the jelly plate. Evenly coat the whole surface in a thin layer. Advice: use the roller stand when the roller is not in use. Next, you're going to add textures to your jelly plate. Some textures will need rolling on top. While other textures, like bubble wrap, only need to be pressed down. Leaves will need to be rolled for best results. Please aim for 3 to 4 textures per print so that it's interesting. Place the jelly plate onto the laminated register. This helps your print remain centered on the page. Place clean paper on top of the jelly plate and make sure it is aligned into both corners of the register. Press down to assist with the printing process. Lift the paper to reveal your print. Voila! You now have printed textures. Write your name clearly on the front of your print. Place the print on the drying rack for it to dry. Next, you can either print again or it is time to clean up. Wash the roller and then place it back into the tub. Wash the jelly plate and dry it with a towel. Wash the Perspex and place it in the drying rack. To print in a different colour, wash and dry off all your materials and just begin the process again. Make at least 3 jelly prints. Be creative and have fun.